Alright guys, so we have an unboxing today, um, but unfortunately I tried recording this and got called downstairs and interrupted, but, uh, we got this, the Kith Coke collab. um, I got the Crewneck, it's right here, so it's not really an unboxing, it's kind of just a review now, but it feels kind of damp, but it's pretty fire. I don't really want to open it too much, but it's like all different color block because I don't want to fold it and there's like something in between. But yeah, it's decent quality. Um, it's not too thick, to be honest, but this is an XL. This will be for sale if anybody wants it. But yeah, it's nice quality. The embroidery is really, really nice. And my hat just touched the mic, but the embroidery is really nice. We got Kith Coke or Coke Kith on the tag there, XL. I don't really know what this tag is. And then we have the actual product tag here. It was 155 bucks. Not terrible. And then yeah, it's very thin. I thought it'd be like thicker. It's pretty soft on the inside though. So not bad. I'm kind of mad that the whole unboxing got kind of ruined, but whatever. Um but this will be for sale if anybody wants to purchase it. Just hit me up on Discord. Link in the description, of course. And check out all the groups in the description and Hermes Proxies for the ways I cop. And the Kith Coke collab, I should have a live cop on Friday for the Converse because those are a lot more hyped. This, I woke up a little late. I went manual and ended up purchasing it on my phone on a restock because I got this at like 11:14 and it dropped at 11. I can't close this bag. Pissing me off. There we go. Yeah, guys, that's really it for the Coke collab. Hope you guys did enjoy this little review. Not too crazy. But yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy this review, this little quick one, leave a like, subscribe. 700 subscriber giveaway in the Discord. Make sure you guys join. Check it out. We got 53 entrances so far, but there's like 200 people in the Discord, so we got 2 days and 20 hours left for that. So make sure you guys go join. But yeah, that's been it. This has been Gavin or BornHype, and I'm out. Peace.